Okay folks, having a look at this question, we're given a cone here. We know that the height of the cone is 10. We know that the volume of the cone is 900, and the question is, what is the radius? So what radius would the cone have to have? So when we worked out the volume, it would come out to be 900. So the approach is, as before, that we write out the formula and fill in what we know. So 1/3 times pi times r squared times the height makes the volume for every cone. So what do we know for our particular cone? 1/3 times 3.14 and so on, times, right, we don't know r squared, so we'll leave it as that, times 10 makes 900. So there we are, we've got the information in. We can tidy up a bit by multiplying the numbers on this side together. So we'll do that now. 1/3 times pi times 10 gives us that, which is 10.4, right, so we'll keep that number in the calculator. So roughly 10.4719 and so on times r squared makes 900. So roughly 10r squared is 900, so r squared is going to be about 90, so we're probably expecting an answer between 9 and 10 when we finally get the answer. So we need to know what r squared is exactly. So r squared is 900 divided by that number that's waiting for us in the calculator, 4719 and so on, not written it all down. So here we go. 900 divided by the answer to our previous calculation gives us that number, 85.9436 and so on. Right, again, I'm not writing the whole of that number down because it'll stay in the calculator. But that number, notice, is r squared, it's not r. So we need to do a square root here. So r is going to be the square root of that number, square root of 85.9436, which is going to be, well, square root of our last answer is, there it is, 9.2705 and so on. In the question, we're only asked to give our answer to two significant figures, so there's the two most significant figures. It's followed by a 7, so we're going to round up. So the radius of that cone would be 9.3 centimetres to two significant figures. So this procedure hopefully is becoming familiar. It'll work with any formula. We write out the formula equals the answer. We fill in the numbers we know, a bit of multiplying and dividing, and at the end there we get the answer. Thank you for listening.